Here's how to number rows in Excel. There are a few different ways to do this depending on whether you need a quick static list or dynamic numbering that updates automatically, so I'll walk you through each method in order. The first and most common method is using the fill handle. Click on the first cell where you want your numbering to start. Let's say A2, and type 1. In the cell directly below it, A3, type 2. Now select both cells so Excel knows you want to increment by 1. Hover your cursor over the small green square at the bottom right corner of your selection until it turns into a thin black plus sign. That's the fill handle. Click and drag it down for as many rows as you need. A tooltip will show you the last number in the sequence as you drag. Release the mouse button and you'll see your cells filled with consecutive numbers. These are static, so they won't update if you add or delete rows later. If you want more control without dragging, the next method is the Fill Series dialog. Start by entering 1 in cell A2. Go to the Home tab, and in the Editing group on the top right, click the Fill dropdown. Select Series from the menu. In the Series dialog box that opens, select Columns under Series In. Then enter your stop value. If you have 26 rows of data, enter 26. Click OK, and Excel will instantly number all your rows from 1 to 26. Another option is using the row function. Click on your first cell, type equals ROW of A1, then press enter. Drag the fill handle down to copy the formula to the rest of your rows. This creates dynamic numbering that updates when you sort your data, though the sequence can be interrupted if you add or delete rows in the middle. If you're using Microsoft 365, Excel 2021, or Excel 2024, the sequence function is your best option. Click on the first cell where you want numbering, then type equals sequence of counta of column B minus 1, assuming your data is in column B. Press enter. The function auto-generates a numbered list that spills down automatically and updates when you add or delete rows. Just make sure the cells below are empty or you'll get a spill error. The last method is using an Excel table with the row function. Select your entire dataset, go to the Insert tab, and click the table icon. In the Create Table dialog, make sure the range is correct and click OK. In the first cell of your numbering column, enter a formula like equals row W minus row of Table 2's headers row. Replace Table 2 with your actual table name. Press enter and the formula automatically fills down the entire column. When you add new rows to the table, Excel automatically numbers them. For quick one-time numbering, use the Fill handle or Fill Series. For dynamic numbering that responds to changes, go with the row function, sequence, or the Excel table method. If you don't see the fill handle, you can enable it by going to File, then Options, then Advanced, and checking the Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop option. That's how to number rows in Excel.